What's up, my boys? Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to install a 35 mil canister inside a SLR camera. The tips I use to let it focus. The tips I use to get it right. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that and what to look for. Cause I've done a bunch of mistakes loading and unloading film. You guys, what I do to get it right. I've done a bunch of mistakes and I've learned the hard way from them, so I'm gonna teach you guys how I go about it and what I do to like a film inside that I put in yesterday. So yeah, I'll be uploading more videos. I'm gonna be uploading more videos pretty soon. I'm just working on a bunch of stuff right now and deuces. Okay, what's up, guys? So this is what my camera looks like. That's a little pin where the film is gonna sit, and that little roller is where the end of the film is gonna have to chain into that little slot. And those little teeth, that's the film I was using. It's just the Fujifilm 200 ISO. Nothing special, pretty cheap. Got 2 packs for like $50 out of eBay, and I'm just opening the box. Little unboxing type of vibes. You know my boy. And here it is inside the canister. When you're done, when you take out the film, you want to store the little film inside the canister so it can like be protected from moisture and stuff. So you're gonna pull the pin up, and it has like a little thing there inside the canister where the little teeth are going to like cling on to inside the canister. And in the little slot you're gonna want to put the end of the film, and it has some little teeth that you're gonna want it to be like hooked on immediately, so like it can gain traction and it can spin inside the camera. I'm gonna zoom it in real quick in a little bit because I'm doing a voiceover, so I'm not like actually. So that little slot at the end of the camera, you're gonna want it to go inside there, and you're gonna want to spin it a little bit so you can really get attached to it. So there, I'm putting it in the camera. And you're gonna want to spin it. You can do it with the I don't know what it's called, the shutter. No. You're gonna want to spin it, spin it, spin it, and you're gonna want it to lock into those little teeth there. All film cameras, most of them, they're all like the same. So yeah, just spin it, let it get some traction. Spin it some more. See, those little teeth are the ones you're gonna want to look for. Let it get a good grip on the film and keep spinning for a little bit till like you see the other side. So just keep spinning. And basically that film that's exposed is useless. So you're gonna, after that, see what I'm doing there. Right now, see how you can see the film. So there, now you're gonna want to spin it back a little bit so it can get like, because you don't want it to be inside the camera and want it to be all wobbly and loose everywhere. So you're gonna want to tighten it up by reversing it a little bit. You want it tight inside there. You don't want no loose film, because then it's just gonna create all sorts of mess inside it. So there, you close it, and you're gonna wanna shoot 3 pictures. It's not actual pictures yet. You just wanna advance the film to the unexposed. So there, I do 3. You want to do 2 to 3, but 3 is more secure in my own opinion. I'm not a pro, but I do shoot a lot. So yeah, that's 3. And then it just shows 1 that I'm in my first picture. And this is my beauty. Singlex TLS Sears. A Ricoh camera. I got it for like $30. It's pretty sick. Quality is amazing. Everything is just good about old film cameras, you know. But yeah, that's how you usually load film. And yeah, so I didn't show it, but this is how you basically unload film. Under the camera, there's a little button. You want to click it, and it should stay clicked. If it doesn't click, you want to hold your finger down on the button, and you just unwind the film the other way, the opposite way to which you installed it. And you're gonna feel a little bit of tension, a little bit of tension, a little bit of tension. And once it's done, you're just gonna spin so freely, like you're not even gonna feel no tension at all. That means that your film is already completely installed or loaded into the canister. And yeah, that's me just checking that little button that's on the back. So I still noticed that I had some film in there because I felt some tension. So I just kept going at it, kept going at it, kept going at it. Yeah, I'm planning on uploading more videos. Let me know if you guys want anything in particular, from digital to film. I'm cool with that. I'm gonna do some unboxings, some reviews, the way I do stuff, my style, everything. So yeah, this is just me still trying to unload the camera. That button is the one that you're gonna want to have pressed. I was having some issues because mine wasn't working that well, so at the end I ended up just keeping it pressed. And when you're done, you're gonna wanna put it back in the canister just to be safe. And once I was done with it, I just threw it back on the fridge to keep it cool. All right, so this is the end to this video. See you on the next one, guys. Peace out.